Sinasarili mo lang, hindi ka nagkikwento sa kaibigan mo, sa asawa mo, kaya nga na-overwhelm ka eh. You have to communicate what you feel inside. You have to communicate the burdens that you are carrying para meron kang kahati. Hindi naman dahil binibigyan mo ng problema yung isang tao. It's not that. But actually, you're honoring your friendship because you're communicating what you're carrying inside. Kaya na-overwhelm po tayo kasi hindi natin ma-process ang mga pinagdadaanan natin. Hindi natin ma-process ang mga pains and hurts natin. Niraramdam lang natin. Now, if you're able to communicate that, maghanap ka ng kaibigan na nakikinig, sabihan mo lang, kaibigan, mag-share lang ako sa'yo. Huwag ka munang mag-advise. Mag-share lang ako para maintindihan ko ang sarili ko. And usually, di ba, what do we feel after sharing to somebody? Ano bang nararamdaman natin? Di ba? Magaan ang ating kalooban. That's because you communicated something that you've been carrying in your heart and have been overwhelming your mind for the longest time. And when you communicate, it helps you to heal. You can communicate to different types of people. You can communicate to your friend. You can communicate to a professional. Marami ngayon burdened mentally. So, communicate. Maghanap ka ng kausap.